so many questions about the career path. You are into the finances, you are studied for it, but then maybe you should open the restaurant or start the medical profession. What you should exactly do. Then we have another question related to health issues. Because if we would find that house which will be essential for it, we would have better information about the timing, about what leads to those problems, when we can suspect it would be better. And also for some, career life has to be, or it would be great if that would be connected to some viral things like a fame, popularity. So also how to check that. We will do this on this one example will serve us to prove all these points, and then after this video you will have very nice tool to check this on your own chart. So we will answer all these questions based on the Vedic astrology, but for that you need to have accurate birth time. So the first point from this example will be very important to answer such questions. Should I do with the coding, or should I maybe start something with the art? So choosing the sector. And that would be like, for example, Moon for medicine and Mars for technology or IT. Is it Moon or Mars influencing that specific point? Usually we know it's about the Arudha Lagna, but there is something more to it. By the way, most astrologers would use the 10th house to define that, but 10th house in the Rasi is just showing how you work. For example, if you have Saturn, Rahu in the 10th or lording the 10th, you may be very fixed. It could be something negative, so you need to be more flexible in your work. If it's about Moon and Venus, you may find too much enjoyment must be there in the work. It may slow you down. Venus, also related to that house, can give a lot of traveling, which is associated with work. But to build this scene, we need to invite our first protagonist. This is Marilyn Manson. He had the birthday yesterday, American rock star, a frontman of the band Marilyn Manson, which started in '89. And the aesthetics is very important because we will be talking about that. It's in that goth or dark style. Now he broke through, he had a debut album, and the second was Antichrist Superstar. So this is also a very important event, and he received 5 Grammy nominations. Now his chart is rating AA. If we put his birth details, he had 27 degree of Cancer. So we are basically on the last degree of that sign. Navamsha we rectified, then we will have 2 Dashamsa. So we will shortly talk about that. Now the events which are important is the first, that he has this dark satanic image, we could say. Second thing is that on 30 September 2017 he had a stage related accident which was then followed up by surgery. So it is important to say that the accident was in the work. This will be very important point, because if we will see that in the chart, if we will find that connection, then we can make a template from that and extract this rule, make it more generic, and then we will be able to include all circumstances, and then it will be useful for you to check it on your own chart. Then also he was struggling with the abuse and sexual allegations, and after 2025 they subside, so there was nothing to prove, and he denies them. It doesn't mean that there wasn't there, but there was like not enough evidence there. So this is also a very important point, which will be important to determine the sector. This is quite interesting twist here. So now if we start with his debut and success, it was in Dasha of Venus, and then Venus Moon. Remember, Venus, Venus Moon. He got married in a Venus Saturn Dasha, and it was Pisces Narayana Dasha. That will be important to rectify Navamsha. This accident on stage was in Sun, Venus, Jupiter. So remember, Sun, Venus, Jupiter. Allegations privately started in Moon, Rahu, then it became a public thing for him in Moon, Jupiter. The end of allegation was in Moon, Mercury. Mercury is in the 7th, usually 7th house is ending the legal cases. Okay, so let's start the question. My student Arthur on the course group was observing very correctly how this is possible that this person, which is like the template for Rahu, it doesn't have any connection of Rahu to Arudha Lagna. So this is very important observation. We learn a lot from things which are not working, because then we will find how they are really working, which is transcending our level and putting at a little bit higher on this ladder of mastership in Vedic astrology. We would usually say that it has to be connected to Arudha Lagna because it shows fame or image, and for any scandal, we need Rahu. And if Rahu is connected to Venus, then those are related to the sexual matters. Here we see that the Lagna is Cancer and the Moon is in the Ascendant. The Venus is in the Aquarius in the 8th, and interestingly, in the sign of Rahu and also in the nakshatra of Rahu. They're influencing the next house. Very interesting, because we have Rahu scandals, Venus related to sexual things. But what is even more important, the Lagna or ascendant has the Moon, and Moon is Uchanata of the Moon is Venus, because Moon in own sign gives results of its Uchanata, which is Lord of Exaltation. Moon exalts in Taurus, Taurus is led by Venus. So if Moon in your chart is exalted or in Cancer, see where is Venus, because the Venus will be the real delegation of those results. He will really bring or will be responsible for whatever the Moon should give. So it is almost as if Venus would be the ascendant lord in the 8th. So now we have connection of fame, first house, either Arudha or first house, connected to that Rahu and Venus. So what is the lesson coming from that is that in your chart, you should also check the first house. For example, if you have Mars in first, you can work in things related to engineering or technology like IT. Now the few bonus points for satanic thing, we normally need also Venus afflicted, as Jaimini Sutra says, related usually to 5th house. Here we have Mars, dispositor Venus, which is that Venus afflicted. Also A5 is in that Cancer, A5, which is Arudha of the 5th house. And then we have connection through that Moon to Venus afflicted. And for a person who is doubling a lot or modifying a lot the image, I have observed the 8 and 11 are very much connected. And here we see that Venus is also 11th lord in the 8. Then another nice observation related to his image, both Ascendant and the Moon are in the Sarpa nakshatra, which is related to the snake, the Ashlesha, and also the Venus. So it's like the quasi-Ascendant lord is also in the Satabisha. So again, we have Rahu. So now you're a little bit upgraded. You also can see the first house to see your work. But now you have much more plans, how to deduct them again to gain some balance. Collect all those plans which are related to Arudha and Lagna and see how they are placed in Navamsha. This is the instruction in the crux of Vedic Astrology by Pandit Sanjay Rath. Okay, now we are going to the second point. We will take those career-related plans and we will see if they could make you viral or if there will be some fame coming from them. Because why to waste time if that is not written for you? How to find those plans? A nice way. We could see that remember the time when he got the debut and also when he got the first album, Antichrist Superstar, it was in Venus Moon, debut was in Venus. Interestingly, in the Dashamsa, we will see Venus and Moon are in the 10th house, bringing also a huge wealth. Venus and Mercury are aspecting 10th, which is giving the work of profession, giving him huge success. So we could start from the Navamsha. Again, most astrologers would just see 10th lord in the Rasi chart, so they would analyze what you should do based on how you work. This may not end well. So we would have to connect those planets to the fame. So you have to collect them in your chart and connect them to the points of fame. How do we do that? Because the Shamsa chart, the chart of work, is basically the best map of a work. And there you have for business, you are looking for 7th lord. The way Navamsha is changing every 3 degree and 20 minutes. So if you rectify Navamsha, you have only 2 options for the Shamsa. This is quite important because for all that what we are doing, we need to have rectify Navamsha and the Shamsa. So if you set Navamsha, you have only 2 Dashamsa to choose. And we know the Navamsha is right because he had merit in Pisces Dasha. Accident was in Aquarius. Pisces has the 7th lord. Aquarius is 12. If you want to see how we do that, see the previous video because we are doing exactly the same thing here. And also the cancelled engagement was in Mercury. We see Mercury is leaving the 7th lord. It's going to that runaway yoga from 7 to 7 from itself, Pisces. Therefore, this is like cancelled or abandoned. This project is abandoned. And one is escaping from that part of life. No, it is Pisces. Now for the Shamsa, it could be Scorpio or Sagittarius. So the planets giving work was Moon and Venus. For Sagittarius, Venus would be in 5th. Moon would be in the 9 with the Ketu. By the way, Moon and Ketu is also giving results of that Venus. Do we have connection to Lagna? Because Lagna is fame. Moon and Venus, 5th and 9th. Of course, we have a Trikona Yoga. 5th and 9 are giving results to the remaining part or remaining corner of that triangle, which is the Sagittarius. What is Sagittarius? Lagna. Beautiful. So for this person, we could say that whatever career he will have, it will include the fame. And also the same planets were giving that satanic image and also that changing, modifying the body, right? The 8 and 11, or at least the image. By the way, he was cancelled in Mercury, Dasha, and Cancer, Rasi Dasha. We will see Mercury in 12, Cancer is in 8. So bad periods for career life. So we see Sagittarius is the right one. If you don't want fame in your career, you don't care. But for those like artistic or anything like social media, you can check if those planets giving you jobs are somehow connected to these points of career. One of them, as we see here, is the Lagna in the Deshamsa, and a very twist-giving yoga formation like here, Trikona, was activating the asana. Additionally, 9th house shows the freelance, so we have that Moon Ketu in the 9th house, and even the Venus, because the first album was Venus, right? Venus was given by that Moon Ketu. So the 9th house activation. By the way, 9th, we have that Leo, and this is also very much connected to the scene, to the parties and gigs whenever light is there. Now let's go to the secrets about the health, about the therapy, about what you can do if you feel not bad or you may suspect that this period may be bad for me, may be on the Rasi chart. You see 6th Lord, 8th Lord, maybe on Navamsha, 8 and 12. This is like triple type of confirmation. By the way, if you like me to help you to decipher all your chart with this planetary placements in the relationship, career life, health, what to be careful about, what to do better, what to increase, which direction to empower, and also with the mantras and timings, then you can find the link in the description. Okay, so for this advanced health matter investigation, we need to first find the chart, and then we need to find the house in the chart. Without this school, without this tradition, it would be nearly impossible because this chart was rediscovered by our tradition. This is the special Trimshamsa type, Venkatesha Trimshamsa. Most of the astrologers would just see 6 or 8 or 12, right? You are in hospital, 12 in Rashi. 12 in Rashi usually is showing a sleep. So also it might be a little bit misleading. And some are not even using those houses. They are just averaging out the whole chart to a sign, one sign, and they are giving the readings based on that one sign. So it could be good for some poetic type of motivation or inspiration. But if you are stuck in some point of life and you need to take choices based on the chart, then it's better to use more details. The more, the better, right? This is the analytical approach. If in this example, at the time of that accident, we will find that those planets which were activated are in that house of surgeries or therapy, then we have found the gold, because we may then use it for many things. You can see if this house is activated in your chart, this will show you that the health concern may be there, and also you may connect it to other lords, so it will give you circumstances. If you will find a good plans, then it can also give you some insights how to get out of the problems, or at least how to improve the situation. Know that we have to check the 12th house in the chart. The reminder is that it was the stage accident and the dasha was Sun, Venus, Jupiter. With the Trimshamsa chart, it has 1 degree span, so it is changing every 1 degree. So for example, if you have one chart of work, Dashamsa, it will give you 3 options for this Trimshamsa chart. If your ascendant degree is in that middle Drekana, between 10 and 20, then the Shamsa and Navamsha will be in such placement that it can give you only one Trimshamsa chart. But we have to remember that in this example, we are at the end of Cancer ascendant. So we have these 3 options, the Libra, Scorpion, Sagittarius. If we don't change anything, we are starting with the same time, 8-5. We didn't change Navamsha, the Shamsa also. We are going with Sagittarius. And this is now giving us Libra, Trimshamsa. So our question is, because it was Dasha, Sun, Venus, Jupiter, is Venus and Jupiter, are they connected to the 12th house in the chart? oh my God, they are in the 12th house. So if you learn any additional layer, your prediction related to that area usually will be like at least twice better. You will be twice accurate because you have another layer to exclude the options or confirm. So now you know if you are feeling bad health-wise, you may check what's going on there time-wise and also Lord-wise, what is connected, what is the dynamic, taking that house as essence, as a reference point. Or maybe if you're Navamsha, maybe you are in 8 or 12 period, 12 in Navamsha, maybe it can give also something else, maybe jail, maybe a big expenses. So is it health? Is it really health? This is also a way to confirm. So imagine with these weapons, how much you are better than Rasi chart astrologer. You are not only looking at 6 or 8 in Rasi chart. This is basic now for you. You are already on the Navamsha level, even before that video, if you are a regular on this channel. But now we are going to that advanced. You are in the intermediary, now you are in advanced because you have now the triple type of confirmation layer. Sounds all good, except my student has totally destroyed our fun because he said it is not possible for a Libra because both Shastyamsas, because each Trimshamsa, we were talking about Trimshamsa, will have 2 Shastyamsa. There are specific rules to see if that Shastyamsa can be for this person. So he said none of them are working. So this Trimshamsa is wrong. Because rectified chart means that all the Varga charts will work. Drekana of sibling, property, children, relationship. Everything must be set in such a way that it will activate all the chart. If there is something problematic, then usually it means something is wrong. So Shastyamsa here is not agreeing to our Libra Trimshamsa. It's an interesting thing because higher options are negating or rejecting the more broad one, the Trimshamsa here. So I said, no, it's fine. I just deleted the message, blocked him, and we are fine. Just joking, we have to change the Trimshamsa to Scorpio. Remember, it was Sun, Venus, Jupiter. Is the Scorpio giving us the connection to the 12th house with the Venus, Jupiter? Yes, because 12 is Libra, still loaded by Venus. So we have connection to Antardasha sub-period and Pratyantardasha sub-period. So Trimshamsa of Scorpio is even better. Now why? There is one argument. It was in Libra Rasidasha. One of the Rasidasha was showing the Libra. Libra is the 12th house. Secondly, now we have connection to the career life incident because that accident was on the stage, so it is related to the profession. In the Rasi chart, we have that connection because the 10th Lord Dispositor Venus is an 8, so we have connection of 10th career to something bad health-wise. In the Navamsha, that 8th Lord Venus is in 10th, so again something bad related to career. It was Venus Antardasha, just to remind you. And now in the Venkatesha Trimshamsa, we have Sun, the 10th Lord, in the 12th. So it was related to career life, right? We have Libra and Leo, very much related to the stage. And Venus Karaka is also confirming how it has happened. Now, why it was surgery? Before these planets, Mars and Ketu are lurking, forming the beautiful Malika Yoga. So without Mars, it's not surgery. So Mars and Ketu are staying there in the line for their portion of karma. Okay, so that was just the beta version or version 2 of this last point. When it comes to choosing the career life, it's always a good thing to practice. So here you have another example. You can watch it here.